looking at a cordless lawnmower here from the Greenworks company. This is their 40-volt lithium-ion powered cordless mower. This is a 20-inch with 2 blades and a 2-battery system. Nice collapsible handle, so this is going to take up a minimum of space in your storage unit. And it also, of course, features the long runtime of using 2 batteries. So let's take a look at those batteries. What it does is it runs off 1 battery at a time. So we can go and put 2 batteries in here, fully charged, and it will start using 1 battery. This is a 4 amp hour. It comes with a 4 amp and a 2 amp hour battery. And here's the 2 amp hour battery right here. See, a little bit smaller. If you compare the size of the two, you can definitely see there's a little bit of a size difference there. But the 2 batteries go right in there. It starts on 1, and there's a little red indicator light right there, and that will be on to tell you which battery it's pulling from. I like the little dust covers there, makes it a nice little system. You've got your height adjustments right here. We can go with 5 different height adjustments. Now, this is something that's a little bit different. We are in the lowest setting, and we are cutting the grass, I would say, about 2 inches high. That's typical, you know, that lowest setting is really usually super, super short. Well, in this particular case, we had to go to the lowest setting because that's about even a little higher than we typically like to have our lawn mowed here in front of the house. So, just a word of caution, the low setting is about 2 inches. For most people, that's going to work wonderfully, but in front of our house, around the swing sets and such, we usually go a little bit shorter because we water and fertilize and take care of that grass pretty well up there. Let's take a look at the bottom here. I'll tip this up. I mentioned it is a 2-blade system. Right there, you're seeing the 2 blades. It's a little dirty now because we've just been using it here to test it out here today. But 2 probably about 10-inch blades approximately. And what they do is they are turning in 2 different directions, and they are pushing the clippings and such back. Right about in that area is a piece that you can pop out, and it can become a bagger. It's either a mulcher or a bagger. And right now we're doing the mulching. But there's our 2 blades in this little system. Kind of a neat little mower. We're going to do some more video with this. I wanted to just give you a show of what it looks like. We're going to slap the batteries back in here quickly, if I can do this all one-handed. And it doesn't matter which battery goes on which side here, so I just put the 2 amp hour battery in there, and now I'll put the 4 amp hour battery in this side. There we are. We're set to start this. What you do is you go and you push the button in. Try to do this one-handed, and you push the handle down. And now we're mowing. So that is the 40-volt lithium-ion powered 20-inch lawnmower from Greenworks. We'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out. This is John Young with the Weekend Handywoman.